Alright, let's see what I got in here. Man, this is when I need some slaves. I knew I should have bought more slaves. Alright, apples and oranges, peanut butter, batteries, that's what I need. Cool. Alright. Okay, that's good. Can't slide around. Now I just need something to hold them down. Ah! Dog! Dog! Alright, mister! Some bolts. Alright, doo-doo, and doo-doo. Yeah. Sweet! Fits and everything. I think one screw here and a little piece here is good enough to hold that on. My little clips reach. Great. Okay, and there's the other side. Now, wires. Now, I wonder if these things come charged. Do they come charged? Does anyone know that? I'm putting my positive and negative scratches on all batteries so I don't accidentally mess them up. Oh, and before like 200 people say, dude, don't be nervous, you'll get through this. Being nervous is a good thing. It means I'm doing stuff. Because you don't get nervous sitting around on the couch doing nothing. You get nervous when you're doing stuff. It's a good thing. There, presuming I did that right, that should be 96 plus or minus a bit volts. Yeah, 100.9. Close enough. And I'm actually backwards. Yeah. Sweet. So to increase the voltage, I'm putting the electricity through this battery, and that's 24 volts, right? But then the electricity is also going through this one, so this one's also pushing, so that's 48. And every time it goes through another battery like this, it just adds another push and gives the electricity more voltage, because voltage is like how hard it's pushing. So that's adding all four together. And then you have to go from a plus or a positive to a negative to a positive to a negative, from a positive to a negative, all the same direction to get them all to push more. Now there's the other set of four that are going to be on the other side of the robot, and I don't want those to add into these ones. So what I'm going to do there is take the negative here and connect it to the negative of the other one, and those will both go together into the power supply. And then the positive from here and the positive from the other one will both go together. And that will keep the voltage the same, but just give it the capability of increasing the current, which is the speed of the electricity. Oh, and to put these little thingies on, I don't know if I do this right, but I just stick it inside the thing and find something that can crush the metal part. And squeeze the producers out of it. There. Hold on. And then you can see the little end of the wire stuck in there now. And I'll do it again on another spot just to make sure. Oh, and I do have a wire stripper. It's all the way over there though. And I just go like this. Oh, missed it, of course. Okay, there's my second set of that. It'd be nice if I had multi-strand wire, but I don't, so... Okay, those silly fools will connect up to the switch middle part. Next I need wires from here that go and we'll reach over to where the motor is. And that's it. Let me check this out for a minute. Alright, this thing should be able to power that. Doesn't smell good. Is that just not get enough power, or is there something rotten in there? Wouldn't that be nice? Alright, that's the opposite direction. Is this a one-way motor? That way seems much better than the other way. I do have another one of these motors attached to my lumber mill. Maybe I should take that with me just in case. Oh, these things weigh like 50 pounds. Whatever. Right now, though, I'm just gonna go eat some food. Oh, okay, I'm not going to eat food yet. Sounds like bad brushes. Maybe there's some bad connections in here. Make sure it's not plugged in while I'm doing this. Alright, I cleaned out some spiders and jiggled the brushes around. Sounding better. Just haven't used it in like 2 years, so. Hopefully there's just a bit of corrosion on the terminals and junk that'll come off. Did I say terminals? I meant brushes. Ah, I'm hungry. I gotta go eat some food. Hold on a second. Let me just put oil in there. Oh, that's more like it. Don't ever do this. Yeah, that's strong.